Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare. To begin, familiarize yourself with the fundamental controls for movement, aiming, and firing your weapon. Pay close attention to your minimap. It provides crucial information about enemy positions and objective locations. Mastering weapon recoil and understanding how attachments improve your gun's performance are key. Don't forget to effectively deploy your tactical and lethal equipment for strategic advantages in combat. Let's explore some popular game modes. In Domination, your goal is to capture and hold 3 designated objective points across the map to earn score. Team Deathmatch is straightforward. Eliminate enemy players to reach the score limit first. Hardpoint challenges you to control a specific rotating zone. Finally, Search and Destroy is a tense, round-based mode where each player has only 1 life per round, focusing on planting or defusing a bomb. Customizing your loadout is essential for success. You can create several custom loadouts, selecting your preferred primary and secondary weapons. Choose perks that provide unique advantages, like faster health regeneration or increased ammunition. Don't forget to select your kill streaks, which offer powerful in-game rewards after achieving a certain number of eliminations without dying. Experiment with various weapon attachments to fine-tune your gun's performance for different combat scenarios. To elevate your gameplay, focus on advanced strategies. Develop strong map knowledge to predict enemy routes and common engagement areas. Effective communication with your teammates is vital for coordinated pushes and objective defense. Be flexible and adapt your playstyle based on the current game situation, whether you need to play aggressively or defensively. Always utilize cover and smart positioning to gain a tactical advantage over your opponents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.